Hi everybody, my name is Funman. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something about chemistry with cooking with Maggie Mee. And now you see the water is boiling, okay? And I have my good friend here, my homie, Zhihengyu, helping to record this. So now let's make it boil again by turning it on at the highest rate. And I got with me noodles, instant noodles. Now we take a look at the boiling water. How do you know it's boiling? There are two observations. One is you see the bubbles coming up very rigorously, and second, you see the steam coming up, right? If I put my hand on top here, it's kind of feel hot here, so do not put it for too long. You see it's so vigorous, and this is when you should start to place your noodles there. Do not place it when the water hasn't boiled, because it's not the way about chemistry. When it bubbles, and then you put inside here, and then instantly it will start to soften. That's why you have instant noodle. If you put it in cold water from a tap and you put inside and boil, it's not instant. So to make it faster, let's speed things up, okay? We'll cover the lid. And you can see this water vapor here boiling. Now let me give introductions to this. So I'm a fan of instant noodle. This is just an Indomie. I don't take any commercial financial advertisement credit for that, but it's good. You try it like a dry noodles, but don't eat too much, okay? Just like croissant. It's not so healthy. Now, I want to say hi to Zhihengyu.
Hello.
Hi. Do you cook Maggie Mee?
Yeah, sure. Sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. So Maggie Mee is sometimes it's quick, you know. But now if you zoom in here, right? Now it's ready. I want to show you this. You will notice that wow, it's boiling so vigorously, right? I take a piece of chopstick. Okay, a separate video will teach how to use chopstick. You see, it softens. But if I do not do anything right now, the bubble will start to boil over, right? And it's very hazardous. Now you see, there's a simple trick here. Next time when you open the lid, you just take a pair of chopstick and do this, okay? Watch it, it's almost boiling over, right? But when I put it on top here, ooh, you see, it's hot. It will not boil over, let me promise you, okay? Because it's all about science and chemistry. Zhihengyu, why is it so?
Wow, it's very interesting. Maybe it's the vapor pressure changed on the surface.
Yes, vapor pressure is something like, you know, when the liquid water becomes a gaseous state water vapor and it's boiling, right? Like steam, the energy is so vigorous, right? And the thing is, right, you have the whole surface just now, okay? So it forms a layer of steam, very rigorous here, and they do not where to go. But when you put two, we call it baguette in French, that suddenly you have the eddy current, it kind of disrupt the airflow. See, you got like three positions, 1, 2, 3, you know, like front, mid, and back. So it kind of, the steam will go in different direction, which means one is not uniform, it can't boil over. So let me promise you, by doing that, right, you can just boil for 10 hours, right? Of course, your noodles will be dry. I'm just saying that this is a security feature there, okay? Now our noodles is almost cooking, and if you go closer, right, you notice that there's a bit more bubble, right, than just now. These are not your water vapor, because the noodles itself has some alkaline, have some base inside, right? It's basic, pH more than 7. It's like a bit soapy. So later on, if you touch the water, you realize it's a bit soapy. Soapy, not just because of the oil, but because of its alkalinity. Oh, chopstick is even hot, you see? It's almost ready now, and I'm gonna go into next video. So if you like this science and noodles, you should like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. See you next time.